Hi everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat? So, kakauwi lang namin galing na grocery kasi bukas mag-work ng aking asawa. So, ayan. And then, pagdating namin, may nakita kami sa patio na tawag nito, may parcel. So, ayan. Let's go guys. Tingnan natin kung ano yun. Pero parang may idea na kami. So, let's go. Okay, let's get outside guys and get the big parcel about this big. So let's go. Come on. Come with me. Hold on. Don't take my video there. Hold on. Let's open this door. We can just speed it up then. Let's share the plans first.
Oh, I think they'll be happy with that.
So here it is. Si ayan na. Hold on, guys. Can you see? So, ito na yung box natin. Sobrang malaki siya. So, we will unbox it shortly, guys, so that you can see. Tapos, i-set up namin ito sa laundry.
Okay, good.
Okay, hi everyone. We're gonna unbox the parcel now. You're about to find out what's inside. Ang OA. So, ayan. When did we order this? 2 days ago. So, it arrived very quickly. Where did you order it from?
Crazy sales.
Whoa. Wow. Here we go. Wow.
That's what it's supposed to look like.
So this is supposed to look like, guys. So it's a what do you call this?
Shelf, right?
Shelf on top of the dryer. So ayan.
Okay. Look.
So that's it. He's gonna assemble this one really quickly. Wow, it's a really good quality. Oh, very thick. The quality.
Okay, 3 shelves.
3 shelves. So this is the 3 shelves. And then we're gonna put it in the laundry very soon. Once he finish doing the symbol.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's yours for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring, and I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 yeah. Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be.
So, ayan, ito, hinahati muna namin ito ng half para madali lang siyang ilagay on top of the, tawag niyan, dryer. So, let's go, guys! So, ayan, dito namin siya ilagay, guys, on top of the, ayan, dryer. So, hinintay ko lang yung asawa ko. Katabi ng aming washing machine. So, ito yung washing machine namin. And then, ayan, dryer. So, hinintay ko lang siya. We will see. Baka, we don't need to, hindi namin kailangan ata itong i-remove eh. So, we will see. I'm very excited, guys. So, dito ko lang nilagay yung mga hats namin. And then, dito ko na lang din sinasabit yung tawag niyan. Sard. Ayan, pang spray sa stain or hot. So, yes. Andito yung umbrella. Oh, here is your umbrella, Blake.
Yes.
We just leave it there so that we can see. So, hinantay ko lang yung asawa ko, guys, para malagay natin ito dito. So, ayan. Magaan lang siya, hindi siya mabigat. So, I'm very excited talaga as in. So, here we go. We're gonna put this one now. Slowly.
In.
Huh?
That should probably go in.
Which one? Ah, I see. Yeah, that's true. And inside? Wow, nice one.
Yes, there's something down there.
Is there something in there? Okay. We just use the mop to grab it. Or do you wanna pull it? Okay. Oh. Is it too much water?
Jeez, it's a rough one.
Oh, it's really full. You need to go in the bath. Daming water, guys. I mean,
Let's go in. Can you just open it?
okay. So, ayan, gi-empty lang niya yung, tawag nito, yung parang holder sa tubig sa dryer. Kasi sobrang mabigat. Otherwise, hindi siya mausog. So, ayan. Okay, let's go. Andyan na. So, ayan, dyan siya ba? Yung mga
Searching for
water.
greatness in a sea of the dying and
Dispenser.
shameless,
Wala,
a
ang
sea of the
dami.
aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless.
Okay,
I'ma wake up
use
with the
the thing.
mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't
What's
think
that?
I'll be
Okay,
fine
pass it
if I
to
don't
me.
break my
I'll just put this one
limitations.
here at the
Don't
moment.
try to stop me, I
the
exist to
floor.
write my own story. I'll
So,
make a
ayan.
decision if
Oh,
I want some peace or if
ayan
I want the
muna namin.
glory. Yeah.
Lagay muna namin ito before namin i-backward.
Just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted
I think it's okay.
someone
It's
who
okay.
noticed me.
Hold it.
My whole life I just wanted to be
You can move it a bit, I
somebody
guess.
to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Perfect.
Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Good.
Yeah, I just
Now, the
wanna
big
be
one.
great. Yeah, yeah.
So, ayan, kinuha lang niya yung ano, ayan. Ito. There we go. Let's see. Perfect. Let's put it right here. That's good.
This is a statement to
Maybe you
appreciate all
pull
that
this
is
way.
vacant.
Wow, well
If you
done!
make up your mind, you can
It's so,
take
so
it. Never
nice.
complacent. I would work in a mansion or
I
basement.
like
Yeah. There's no
it.
replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah.
I think you just put this one on top of this, I think.
To feel sun inside when it's
Does it fit?
pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's
Yeah, outside.
distortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just
And then you just put it on top, I think, like that. I can just plug it in. And this one too.
Yeah, I just wanna
There we go.
be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
And this
Yeah, I
one.
just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah.
Nice one. Like that. And we can hang something in there. Hanger. Or something. Ah, that's pretty fancy. So you put the hanger. So that's it, guys. Ang ganda-ganda. As in. So, ayan, finally, natapos nang i-sit up ng aking asawa ang aming shelf dito sa taas ng dryer. So, ayan, ang ganda. Ang dami na naming mapaglagay dito. So, at the moment, nilagay ko lang yung mga hats. Ayan, mga iba't ibang sizes ng hats. Kasi kapag magpunta dito ang aking mother-in-law, ito yung black ang gagamitin niya, yung aking hat. Tapos yung hat sa mga bata, ayan, yung blue. And then, dito ko lang din muna nilagay yung lunchbox ni Blake. Kasi nga, 3 days and 2 days lang naman siya. So, every other week, 2 days. And then, ang school niya. And then, the following week, 3 days. And then, 2 days again. Ganyan ba? Kaya, at pakalat-kalat lang ito eh. So, ayan na siya. Kaya, dito ko lang muna ilagay. And then, dito ko lang din ilagay itong, nakabili pala kami ng guys, fluffy. Para siyang souvenir na brand. And ito ay parang pang freshen up sa damit. Kung kunwari, uniform ni Aiden. Kasi yung uniform ni Aiden, hindi kami magpalit everyday. So, siya, bali 2 days ang kanyang uniform isusuot. And then, sprayhan namin siya the second day na isusuot niya yon. Pang freshen lang siya para amoy fresh naman ang aming baby boy. Baby boy talaga, no? So, dito lang muna yan. Dito lang namin pa din ilagay ang aming, siguro magbili ako ng parang square na, yung magaan lang na lagayanan ng mga dirty clothes. Para dito ko na lang siya ilagay. Kasi, tawag nito, mas mabilis siya para sa akin. So, yun lang ang aking update. So, thank you everyone for watching. Umiyak na talaga si Velo. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also, sa mga interested dyan, ilagay ko ang aming, tawag dito, ang link. Ayan, kung saan namin ito nabili. $70 lang daw ito eh. So, ilagay ko sa description ang link kung saan namin ito nabili. So, yun na guys. So, where is it? Sweetheart, Crazy Sales? So, ayan, nabili ito na namin sa Crazy Sales. Ayan, online.com.au. So, yes! I'm so happy talaga. 2 days lang ang inabot. 2 days ago lang namin ito in-order. Ayan, kumakain ko ako ng chips. Pinakain ko kasi si Velo. Tapos, ayan, i-deliver siya today. So, 2 days ago lang. Ang bilis, no? So, very good service talaga ang Crazy Sales. First time namin nag-purchase doon. So, 5-star Crazy Sales. Bye! Grabe ang, malawig dito, guys. So, bye everyone!